Each day, more than 1 million individuals contract an STD. Fortunately, most of these infections are treatable and preventable. Here's what you should be aware of. Sexually transmitted diseases, or STDs, are infections transmitted through sexual contact. This can involve vaginal, oral, or anal interactions. Bacterial infections like chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis are common. Viral infections include HIV, herpes, HPV, and hepatitis B. Parasites, such as trichomoniasis and pubic lice, also fall under this category. Let's explore the most prevalent STDs. Chlamydia may exhibit no symptoms but can lead to infertility. Gonorrhea is marked by painful urination and odd discharge. Syphilis begins with sores and can severely impact the brain and heart if not addressed. HIV compromises the immune system and requires lifelong treatment. Although herpes causes painful blisters, it is manageable. HPV can result in warts and cervical cancer. Trichomoniasis usually causes itching and abnormal discharge. Keep an eye out for these signs. Discomfort during urination or sex could indicate a problem. Unusual discharge should raise concerns as well. The presence of genital sores, warts, or itching is also a cause for worry. Swelling in the groin area deserves attention. Some infections might not show any symptoms, making vigilance essential. Prevention is key. Always use condoms consistently and correctly. Getting vaccinated against HPV and hepatitis B is advisable. Reducing the number of sexual partners can minimize risks. Regular screenings and checkups can help catch problems early. Open dialogue with partners ensures that everyone is informed. What about the treatments? Bacterial STDs can be treated effectively with antibiotics. Viral infections are managed with medications, including antivirals, while HIV requires ongoing care. Early testing is crucial for saving lives. Remember, STDs do not define you. Taking preventive measures and seeking early treatment can safeguard your future. Stay safe and informed. For more insights, subscribe to LifeCare Education. Every day, we witness the significance of sexual health, yet many remain unaware of just how widespread STDs are. The misconceptions surrounding these infections often breed stigma, making it vital to approach this issue with understanding and knowledge. Effectively managing STDs requires proactive efforts and open conversations, ensuring collective participation in prevention and care. Being informed of the symptoms and risks extends beyond personal health. It signifies responsibility towards partners and the broader community. By taking control of our sexual health, we can counter misinformation, lower transmission rates, and promote an attitude of support and awareness. Educating ourselves and others creates a positive ripple effect, leading to responsible choices that protect lives. Awareness is just the starting point. Every small action contributes to healthier communities. STDs represent a pressing public health challenge affecting people from various backgrounds and age groups. Often, they are hidden, revealing subtle symptoms that can go unnoticed. Being aware of these infections empowers individuals to get tested and seek treatment without feeling shame. Normalizing discussions around sexual health creates a safe atmosphere, encouraging everyone to prioritize their well-being and that of their partners. Ongoing education about the risks and realities associated with STDs is essential in breaking down stigma and fear surrounding these conditions. Remember, knowledge empowers decision-making for healthier lives. Take the initiative for your health today, and inspire those around you to do the same. By fostering a culture of openness regarding sexual health, we not only protect ourselves but also enhance our community's overall wellness. Together, we can cultivate informed advocates who continue this vital conversation long after this message has concluded. Identifying STD symptoms is key to ensuring timely intervention and care. Many individuals might experience pain during urination or notice unusual discharge, prompting concern for potential infections. If sores or warts arise in the genital region, reaching out to a healthcare professional is crucial. Keep in mind that some infections can be asymptomatic, underscoring the need for regular checkups and proactive sexual health approaches. Knowledge coupled with awareness plays a pivotal role in prevention. In conclusion, prioritizing sexual health requires staying informed, pursuing early treatment, and encouraging open discussions about STDs. Embracing this proactive mindset helps dismantle barriers, reduce stigma, and ultimately protect ourselves and our communities. Knowledge empowers us to forge healthier relationships. Every day, millions are unaware of the silent epidemic. The prevalence of STDs is daunting, but most can be averted through education and awareness. Many fear discussing these infections, yet confronting them directly is vital for both individual and public health. Initiating discussions about STDs helps demystify them, fosters responsible behaviors, and encourages routine testing for everyone. Education remains a powerful instrument, providing individuals with the information necessary to make informed choices about their sexual health. This concerted effort in awareness not only contributes to personal wellness but also aids in dismantling long-standing stigmas surrounding sexual health topics. It's time to unite and emphasize the importance of sexual health, ensuring that information flows freely, inquiries are welcome, and support is offered within our communities. STD education should encompass not only prevalence and prevention but also the significance of treatment. Many hesitate to seek medical advice due to shame or fear. However, looking for help signifies strength. Regular testing, especially for those with multiple partners or new relationships, is vital for early detection. It's also critical to recognize that STDs do not discriminate. Anyone who engages in sexual activity is at risk. Taking control over one's sexual health means prioritizing communication and consent in relationships. Establishing an environment where partners can openly discuss their sexual history and health status leads to well-informed decisions. Urge your partner to undergo regular testing and share the outcomes, promoting a sense of shared responsibility. Through education, we empower ourselves and others to practice safety, reaffirming that regular checkups and open communication are fundamental for a healthy sexual relationship. This proactive approach is essential in debunking myths and breaking barriers, ensuring involved individuals make educated decisions that benefit both themselves and their communities. Many may question where to find trustworthy information and support regarding STDs. Resources like healthcare providers, local clinics, and educational platforms are crucial in supplying reliable information and direction. Comprehensive sexual health education initiatives in schools and communities lead to informed young adults who grasp the importance of their sexual health. Support groups and hotlines also provide a safe space for individuals to share experiences and seek advice without fear. Involving oneself with these resources bolsters understanding of STDs and promotes meaningful discussions with peers. Addressing misconceptions proactively facilitates a more informed approach to sexual health, ultimately leading to healthier communities. Although stigma can obscure dialogues surrounding STDs, individuals must recognize that knowledge serves as their greatest ally in promoting sexual health. By becoming familiar with various types of STDs, their symptoms, and preventive measures, we can actively contribute to safeguarding not only ourselves but also our partners. Engaging with trustworthy sources, participating in discussions, and promoting awareness within our communities can set forth powerful actions everyone can take. Ultimately, embracing education and open dialogue nurtures a culture of understanding that not only counters fear but also fosters an environment that benefits all. Remember, proactive actions today pave the way for a safer and brighter tomorrow. STDs might seem challenging to discuss, but engaging in these conversations can foster healthier choices and heightened awareness. Understanding the signs, symptoms, and prevention strategies is vital to combating the spread of these infections. Open conversations break down shame and equip us with critical information to protect our health. Each individual can play a role in promoting this dialogue, sharing knowledge that empowers others. As we normalize discussions about sexual health, we establish an atmosphere where individuals feel safe seeking treatment and testing. This proactive stance cultivates a culture of responsibility, awareness, and support among peers. Ultimately, knowledge combined with open dialogues inspires a collective effort aimed at improving sexual health practices. Regular testing is essential for preserving sexual health. By staying proactive, individuals can uncover any issues quickly. Healthcare providers are trained to handle these matters sensitively, ensuring everyone feels at ease during appointments. It's crucial to remember that an STD diagnosis does not reflect one's character but highlights a common health concern needing attention. Moreover, many experience anxiety while discussing STDs, which only intensifies the stigma surrounding them. However, realizing that seeking assistance can empower individuals transforms this experience from one of shame into a demonstration of strength. Building a community that supports sexual health education is essential in crafting a future free from STD-related stigma. It encourages individuals to take charge of their health and that of their partners. Friends, family, and peers can unite to advocate for regular checkups and candid conversations about risks and prevention. Awareness campaigns, social media discussions, and educational programs can all enhance public understanding. The objective is to create a setting in which everyone feels comfortable discussing sexual health without the fear of judgment. Together, we can uplift each other, ensuring that knowledge leads to healthier choices and ultimately protects our community's well-being. Every conversation about sexual health should emphasize the fact that STDs can impact anyone, irrespective of demographics. By embracing knowledge and fostering open discussions about STDs, we are not only taking charge of our health but also creating a supportive community. Let's prioritize education and awareness, bridging gaps in understanding regarding these infections. Together, we can shape a future where every person feels empowered to seek the care and information they deserve.